Welcome back to the Project and Materials YouTube channel. If you want to access additional updates and tutorials on project writing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In our previous video we discussed on preliminary pages, cover page / full title page, declaration page, acknowledgements page, abstract, table of contents, list of tables, and list of figures. Now, let's proceed with the discussion on how to begin list of abbreviations page of your project, thesis, or dissertation. Creating a list of abbreviations in a project report involves compiling a list of all the abbreviations used in the document along with their corresponding full forms or meanings. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify abbreviations. Identify all the abbreviations used throughout your project report. These might include acronyms or any shortened forms. Step 2. List abbreviations and full forms. Create a comprehensive list that pairs each abbreviation with its corresponding full form or meaning. Ensure that each abbreviation is clearly defined and explained. Step 3. Insert the list of abbreviations. In your word processing software, e.g., Microsoft Word, go to the location in your document where you want to insert the list of abbreviations. Step 4. Insert the list. In Microsoft Word, manually create a list of abbreviations and their meanings or full forms in the desired format. Organize them alphabetically for ease of reference. Step 5. Review and format. Review the list of abbreviations to ensure accuracy and clarity. Make sure each abbreviation is correctly defined and its full form or meaning is clearly stated. Step 6. Finalize. Once you have compiled and formatted the list of abbreviations, include it as a separate page in your project report, typically placed after the table of contents and before the main body of the report. Creating a list of abbreviations helps readers understand the meanings of specific terms used throughout the document, especially if they are unfamiliar with certain abbreviations or acronyms. This list aids in enhancing clarity and comprehension for the reader. Now, here's an example of what the list of abbreviations looks like. Recall, creating a list of abbreviations in a project report involves compiling a list of all the abbreviations used in the document along with their corresponding full forms or meanings. In our next video we shall enlighten you on how to begin the references. Remember to share and recommend this video to your friends for project writing insight.